still some people without power down here, as we can obviously see, because these power lines are down.
Yep. And they've got power lines straight across the roads.
They're working on it.
They're trying to get it done. Be careful, people. Be careful. We know you're doing your job. Just do it. I hope you can get to a safe zone. Look at this. This is just devastating. Just devastating.
Good news is, you know, it does appear that a lot of houses got damaged.
Watch it. Be careful on this power line.
Yeah, the power line across the road we just crossed.
Yeah.
Obviously it has no power.
So, but they got the blunt of the hurricane. It was a Cat 2 when it hit. 100-mile-an-hour winds. Torrential rain. This is the same road we traveled coming back from Tat Days, and they got 10 inches of rain. So most of this, you see that the water is still standing in the ditch line. Most of this was probably 10 inches of rain.
Power lines down
Another power line down. And you can see all this trees and stuff. Most of these trees were across the road. There's a house on up here that, it was ground zero. It looked like for one of the spin-ups of a tornado. I mean, everything was just demolished in their house. This is the house that took all the damage right here. And it looks like it was ground zero for a tornado.
There's just, dozens of trees.
Yeah, there's too much damage for, from the winds. So, here's another one that took some damage here. These townhouses. There's a lot of lines down through here. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't go the other way. Here's another truck up here. Trying to get this thing set. I'm gonna make everybody sick. This is the one where his shed blew away. My arm's hurt. They lost a bunch of trees. Look, all around their little pond. There's that tree. Look at this. These were across the road.